Welcome to Best India Reviews. If you want the best product at the right price, you're in the right place. Let's get into it.
In this video, we will share the best full-spectrum light for birds you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many full-spectrum light for birds and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each full-spectrum light for birds so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss the key things to consider when buying a full-spectrum light for birds. First, focus on the light spectrum itself. A proper full-spectrum light should mimic natural sunlight, providing both UVA and UVB rays that help birds maintain healthy feathers, bones, and behavior. Second, consider the brightness and color temperature. It should not be too harsh or too dim, but balanced to create a natural daylight effect. Third, check the safety and quality of the light fixture. Ensure it is designed for birds, has no flicker, and comes from a trusted brand. Lastly, think about placement and duration of use. The light should be positioned safely and used for a suitable number of hours daily. Choosing wisely supports your birds' well-being and happiness. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.